Every trader wants to make money. But what most traders don't realize is profitability isn't a switch, it's a process. You don't just wake up one day and become a consistent, profitable trader. You go through stages. Now, they're painful, humbling, eye-opening stages that teach you who you are as much as how to trade. The market doesn't give any handouts or rewards for effort. It pays you for growth. And if you can understand the stages I'm about to break down in this video, you'll stop fighting the process and start trusting it. The first stage is the excitement stage. This is where it all starts. You've seen a couple charts, maybe a few wins, and you think, I could do this. The adrenaline is rushing. You're watching candlesticks move up and down. The dream of financial freedom is right there and you can almost taste it. But here is the trap. Every win creates false confidence. You think you figured it out, when in reality, the market just gave you a little taste. Most traders get stuck here because they mistake luck for skill. This is where overtrading, revenge trading, and ignoring risk management kick in. You're not trading a strategy yet. You're trading off of emotion. Now, the second stage is the reality check. Eventually, the market will humble you. You'll start to lose trades that you thought were perfect setups. You question your strategy, your ability, sometimes even your decision to start trading. This is where 90% of traders quit. But if you push through, I'm telling you, something changes. You stop blaming the market and you start to look at yourself. You realize trading isn't about being right. It's about managing risk, accepting loss, and thinking long term. The pain you feel here is totally necessary. It's you breaking down your ego and replacing it with discipline. Stage 3, and my favorite stage, is the adjustment phase. In this stage, you start to slow down. You trade less, but with more intention. You back test, you journal, you study your losses. You begin to notice patterns, not just in the market, but with your own behavior. You start to realize the battle isn't with the charts, but it's with your own impulses. You start thinking like a risk manager and not a gambler. Every trade has a reason. Every loss has a lesson. Every win reinforces your patience and not your excitement. You're still inconsistent, but now it's controlled inconsistency. You're learning what not to do. Stage 4, I think you made it, the consistency phase. Now you're building a rhythm. You've accepted that not every day is going to be a green day, but every day could be a good trade day. You trust your process. You understand your edge. You respect your risk. This stage is boring to most traders. And that's exactly why it's powerful. Consistency isn't exciting. It's discipline. It's repetition. The profits start to follow, slowly at first, then steady. And then for the first time, you're not chasing them trades. They come into you. So now you've reached stage 5. The mastery phase. This is a phase where few traders reach. You've developed emotional control. You've built habits around review, not reaction. You know when not to trade, and that's what makes you a profitable trader. Trading becomes less about charts and more about your self-awareness. You realize mastery isn't the absence of mistakes. It's your ability to recover from them calmly. At that point, you've evolved from chasing the outcomes to managing yourself. And that's when the market starts to reward you. Not because the market got easier somehow. It's because you've become harder to shake. Every profitable trader has to walk this path. Some get stuck at early stages. Others break through, but nobody skips them. The question you have to ask yourself at this point is, what stage are you? Because once you know that, you can stop pretending and start improving. And realize that becoming a profitable trader isn't about finding the perfect strategy. It's about becoming the trader who can execute one. Remember, focus on the process so you can get to them profits. Now, if you're here to the end, go ahead and like, follow, and subscribe. It helps get the information out to other traders, and we can all help and support each other. Peace.